In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Analytics to GoDaddy website. By the end, you'll have analytics connected so you can start tracking how visitors use your site. First, head to your GoDaddy dashboard and open your site editor by selecting Edit Website. This takes you into the website builder where you can change content and settings. Once the editor loads, look for the Settings option, usually in the left or top toolbar, and open it. Inside Settings, find and select Google Analytics. This is where you'll paste your Analytics ID in a moment, so keep this tab open. Next, open a new browser tab and go to Google Analytics. Sign into the Google account that owns your Analytics property. In the bottom left corner, click the gear icon labeled Admin. In the Property column, open Data Collection and Modification, then choose Data Streams. On the Data Streams page, select your web data stream. Make sure it matches your site's domain. You want the stream created for the website version, not iOS or Android. If you manage multiple sites, double-check you're in the right property before proceeding. With the web data stream open, look for your measurement ID. It's a short code that starts with G, typically shown in the top area of the stream details. Click to copy that measurement ID. Be careful to copy it exactly as shown. No extra spaces, because Analytics won't connect if the code is incomplete or mistyped. If you also see an older tracking ID that begins with UAA, that's from Universal Analytics. Most sites today should use the GA4 measurement ID that starts with GIA. Now switch back to your GoDaddy Editor tab, where the Google Analytics setting is open. In the field labeled Measurement ID or Tracking ID, paste the code you just copied. Some versions of the GoDaddy editor save automatically. If you see a Save or Apply button, click it. If your builder requires publishing to push changes live, go ahead and publish so the connection can start working on your live site. After saving, give Analytics a little time to register incoming data. You can open the real-time report in Google Analytics to confirm activity once visitors hit your site. If you don't see data right away, that's normal. Wait a few minutes and check again, and make sure you pasted the correct measurement ID for the correct property. That's it. You've linked Google Analytics to your GoDaddy website. Now you can explore your reports and learn what's working, which pages get attention, and where to improve. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.